Hello, welcome to Maths Clinic. Topic fractions, multiplication and division of fractions. Multiplication and division of fractions. Number one, we have 3 all over 25 times 5 over 27 times 1 all over 2. Number two, 1 all number 3 all over 8 times 24 all over 22 times 2 over 3. And number three, 6 all number 1 over 4 times 1 all number 3 over 5 times 10 all over 2. Number 4, 6 whole number 1 over 4 divided by 1 whole number 5 over 3. 5, 19 whole number, 19 over 35 divided by 38 over 7. Did you notice something here? This is not proper. Okay, so we leave this as this. 5 all over 3. 5 times 1 plus 3 is 5 all over 3. Okay, all right, now let's continue. Solution number 1. 3 over 25 times 5 all over 27 times 1 all over 2. Now, what you're going to be doing here is you are going to be dividing like terms. Now, here is 25, here is 5, here is 1, here is 3, here is 27, here is 2. Now, 3 here is a factor of this. So, you divide 3 by 27. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 3 divided by 27 is 9. So what else can divide? We have 25, we have 5 here. So 5 can actually divide. 5 here, 1. 5 in 25 is 5. Here we have 1 times 1 times 1. So which means nothing can divide further. So we have 1 times 1 times 1 will give you 1 all over 5 times 9 times 2. 5 times 9 will give us 45. 45 times 2 will give you 90. So the answer here is 1 all over 90. Number 2, 1 all number 3 all over 8. Convert this mixed number to an improper fraction. So we have 8 times 1 will give you 8 times plus 3 will give you 11. 11 all over 8 times 24 all over 22 times 2 all over 3. And that will give us, now what is common here? 11 here, 22 here, 8 here, 24 here. So what is saying? I think, okay, 11 divided by 11 will give you 1. 11 divided by 22 will give you 2. So what else can divide? 8. 8 here, 1. 8 in 24 is 3. So now look at what we have here. Here we have 3 divided by 3. 3 here is 1. 3 here is 1. 2 here is 1, 2 here is 1. So what do we have? We have 1 times 1 times 1. We give you 1. 1 times 1 times 1. We give you 1. So 1 divided by 1 we give you 1. That's the answer for that. Number 3, we have 6 over 1 over 4. 4 times 6 we give you 24. 24 plus 1 we give you 25. So we have 25 all over 4. Times 5 times 1 will give us 5 plus 3 will give us 8 all over 5 times 10 all over 2. Okay, so now what is divisible? 5 is divisible. 5 here, 1. 5 in 25 is 5. What else is divisible? 4. 4 here, 1. 4 in 8 is 2. 4 divided by 8 will give you 2. So what else is common? So we have 5 times 2 times 10. So 2 is common here. 2 can divide 10. Or 2 can divide 2. 2 here, 1. 2 in 2 is 1. So we have 5 times 1 times 10. That will give us 50. 5 times 1 is 5 times 10 will give you 50 all over 1 times 1 times 1 will give you 1. So 50 all over 1 is the same thing as 50. Okay, so now let's move to number 4. Number 4 says 6 whole number 1 over 4 divided by 5 all over 3. 6 whole number 1 over 4. So convert this to an improper fraction. So that will give us 4 times 6 is 24 plus 1. 25 all over 4 divided by 5 all over 3. Okay, divided by 5 all over 3. Okay, now 25 all over 4 divided by 5 all over 2. So what will happen is this division symbol changes to times, and then this will be what? Inverted. So what do I mean? So I mean 25 all over 4, your division sign changes to times. and then this 3 all over 5 all over 3 becomes 3 all over, it will be inverted. 3 goes up, 5 comes down, so we have 3 all over 5. So what is common here? 5 is common here. 5 here 1, 5 in 25 is 5. So we have 5 times 3, and that will give us what? 15 all over 4 times 1 will give us 4. So the answer is 15 all over 4. But she did not see 15 over 4 in the list of options given. So we have, how many times can 4 go in 15? So that will give you 3. 3 remainder what? 4 times 3 is actually what? 12. Remainder 3 all over 4. So that is the final answer. Okay, so now let's continue. Let's move to number 5. Number 5 says 19 all over 35 divided by 38 all over 7. The same method you used for the first one in number 4 is the same method you're going to be adopting for this. So we have 19 all over 35 times 7 all over 38. So what is common here? Yes, 19 can divide 38 actually without any remainder. 19 here 1, 19 38 is 2. 7 can also divide 35 without any remainder. 7 here 1, 7 in 35 is 5. So what do we have? We have 1 times 1 that will give us 1, and 5 times 2 that will give us 10. So answer here is 1 all over 10. Thank you.